Hi guys, it's Isabella. Thanks for watching my videos. Make sure to subscribe below and hit that like button. Thank you. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to cook biryani for my daddy because he's Bengali. For this we're going to need ginger garlic, spice mix, chopped tomatoes, onion, I love onion, diced lamb and ghee. I've put in some ghee and I'm going to let it melt. It's already melting. It's going to get medium hot and then we add the lamb. This pink one. Seal the lamb. Once the lamb is sealed, add your spices. That's hot, that's hot. So then ginger garlic paste. Now the tomato paste. Turn down the heat and then give it a slight stir. It smells amazing. Okay, I'm going to put the lid on and let it cook for 1 hour at a very low heat. Anybody home? While that's cooking, I'm going to fry some onion. Any more? Do it gently so that the hot oil doesn't splash everywhere. Chopping. We're almost done. Come look at this. That's been cooking for 1 hour. So I'm going to mix in half cooked rice and fried onion. Now I'm going to put fried onion. Mix it all up. And now it needs to go in the oven for about 20 minutes. It's all done, so now I'm going to put in the coriander. You want to make sure you get all of the coriander inside of the biryani, otherwise then it won't taste good. Let's scoop in. That looks yummy. Make sure to not touch the pot, or you can just use oven gloves. Now for some taste. That's actually good. My mum's secret spice mix is from a packet.